January 5th, 2011. A puzzle is posted on 4chan. Behind it, a mysterious internet organization. This is Hunting Cicada 3301. On the website 4chan, an anonymous puzzle was developed and posted. This occurred in 2011. The next year, a similar post was made, and in 2013, yet another post.
All these posts were put there by the same people and to achieve the same goal.
The goal was to find and recruit a person who was intelligent enough to solve the puzzle made by this mysterious organization.
The general public doesn't know much about them. Most people just know that they make a puzzle every year. This mysterious group goes by the name Cicada 3301.
Oh guys, maybe if we multiply all the numbers in the code, then we could come up with a URL that we can plug in a Tor, and maybe it will lead us to a site.
Oh, that's pretty cool, Hunter.
What's Tor? Tor is a browser that, it's complicated, I'll explain it later.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we should take a stab at the puzzle.
Okay.
Good idea, Nick.
Let's do that.
So what we're doing right now is accessing the dark net using a computer program, Tor, to try and solve some of Cicada's puzzles.
That person?
So right now we're going to try and call what we think might be a possible member of Cicada 3301. So see how it goes. Let's do it. Go. The phone. Put him on speaker here.
He's on speaker. He or she. We don't know who it is.
Well, no, I believe it's a guy.
Hello? Are you a member of Cicada 3301?
Who is this?
We're a group of kids, and we're interested to know if you're a member of Cicada 3301. Hello? Excuse me?
Excuse me?
Hello? Hung
He
up.
hung up. You know what, Hunter? I don't think this is really gonna work. Let's just move on to another thing. Let's edit our art project that we had to do in Photoshop.
Did you say Photoshop?
Photoshop. I got an idea. Oh, you do?
Here, let me show you. So if I just open one of Cicada's puzzles in Photoshop, like so.
Oh, I
Okay,
figured
see
it
where I'm
out.
getting with this?
Yeah.
And change the exposure ever so slightly, I may just come upon.
Whoa!
Even with all the effort we've put in, we still have no leads. We're starting to doubt if we'll ever solve this puzzle.
You know what, guys? We're not cut out for this. Let's put our computers away. It's a good plan.
I guess I'm gonna try to solve it one day.
Will Cicada 3301 series of puzzles ever be solved? Will the mysterious internet organization ever be uncovered? We may never know.